next phase of this project is to add a narwhal. And before we do that, you will need to have some space at the top of your cake. So let's complete the process of shrinking your cake so that you have room at the top. To do that, we're going to merge all of your layers. So you can go to the very top and tap. Up until now, we've been using just the single merge. This time, you're going to merge all. The entire cake can be reduced to one layer now because we're done with most of the cake. Now what we need to do is resize it. If you do not have enough room, you will need to pinch your fingers together, make your cake smaller, and move it to a place that allows you to have some room for the title of your card. It'll say happy birthday, and we need to have room to draw the narwhal. So we're going to hit done. And now on the right hand side, we're going to create a new layer. So touch plus. And we're going to pick a blue color for our narwhal. And keeping our technical pin at a size 4. Okay. To create the narwhal, we're mostly using the circle and the straight line tool. So let's go to the circle, also called the oval. And I'm going to zoom in so I can see it. And I'm going to touch and pull. I have my circle shape. I need to go to the paint bucket and tap 2 times. The next shape I need is the straight line tool. On the right hand side, I'm going to touch and then pull the line till it touches the top of the circle. I'll do that again until it reaches the bottom of the circle. It's important that the shape actually closes. Take a look at what happens. If we don't close it, if we leave a little gap at the end, when we go to fill it with paint, it's going to spill out across the whole page, which we don't want. So we need to go back to this straight line and touch and pull. Okay, now when we go to our paint bucket, it should stay contained in that area. If you have little extra bumps that you don't like around these edges, you can go to the free draw line and just kind of smooth that out. Okay. Next thing we will do is add the tail of the narwhal, keeping the same blue. We'll go back to our straight line tool. We'll go out and back in. Tap inside. And we'll repeat that on the bottom. Out, back in, tap. All right, so now we have a tail. We know how to make triangles with the straight line tool, so now we'll make the horn of the narwhal, but we'll change our color to yellow. You can make yours gray if you like, whatever color works. All right. Going to go across. Oops, I need to go back to my straight line tool. Straight line across. Up. Now how tall or short you want the narwhal horn to be is up to you. Tap the bucket. Tap the shape till it fills in. If it's not quite filling in, go to the free draw line. Okay. Now we need to add the eyes. We're going to change the color to white. Go to our circle maker, touch and drag, and then bucket tool, tapping 2 times. So that's the shape of the eye. You can make yours more oval, more round, however you like. Now we're changing the color to black, returning to the oval, and placing the circle inside. You can have your narwhal look forward or backwards or up or down. It's up to you. The last thing we'll do is add a smile, a little cartoon smile to the narwhal using the free draw line. And we'll add a little fin and an eyebrow. No, they don't have eyebrows in real life, but for the sake of cartooning, we'll make him nice and cute with a nice eyebrow. Feel free to design your narwhal however you like. If you'd rather have like really thick eyebrows or angry eyebrows. I don't know why your narwhal would be angry on your cake, but whatever you decide is fine. So smile, eyebrow, and a little fin. All right, I would say that my narwhal is finished, and obviously he is too big, so I need to shrink him down by taking this layer and going to the move tool, pinching him together and placing him on the cake. I'll let the tail hang off the side. All right, I'm going to say that's done. And I need to duplicate my narwhal because I want to have two of them, one in each direction. So I tap, select duplicate, move tool, and right now they're facing the same direction, but I actually want to flip it. Along the top row on the third icon, you can see where it says flip horizontally. So now it's flipped. That's how you flip your shapes. Okay, you can hit done, zoom out. All right, that looks like the narwhal is finished.